Alright, we're going to go over setting up tool number 1 on the TRAK ELX lathe. You're going to start by going into mode, that's your basic screen, and then you're going to go into setup. In setup, you're going to go into tool setup. And we're going to set up tool number 1, which we just talked about. Tool number 1, hit absolute set. And we're going to start with a set new tool. So we hit this key here. And we're going to be picking the right hand turn / face tool, which is the tool like this we use for our general machining. So we'll put in tool number 1, absolute set. And in this page, all we need to do is set this radius that you see here. So we'll scroll down to radius, and we're going to put in 1/32 of an inch, which is 0.0312, and hit absolute set. That's all we need to start with for setting up tool number 1. And then when you're done here, just hit mode, and that's basically set. From there, you're going to go into digital readout, and then we're going to set up, get the tool actually set to the part size. Alright, the first thing we need to do is face this part off, so I'm going to turn on the spindle and face it off manually. Now that our Z face is established, we're going to set it Z0 on the controller. Set Z0 by hitting Z and then absolute set, and that establishes our face on the part. Now we need to do the same for the X diameter. So the first thing that we'll do is cut the outside diameter, which I'll show in a second, and then set the controller. Alright, I'm going to take a light cut on the outside diameter. Just going to move straight back in Z. Do not change your X value. Now we're going to measure this outside diameter and to put the value in the controller. After measuring the part, the outside diameter wound up being 0.745, so we go X 0.745 and then absolute set. Now we have established the proper diameter for the part and also where the face of the part is located.